By the way,
Yes.
on a different note, when thinking about Sichuan, the spicy food comes to my mind. My mouth is
Yes.
watering. I wish one day
Yes.
in my next trip to China, I could visit Sichuan to
Yes.
have a feel of their taste. And it is very close to Pakistani spicy foods. And it's very famous all across China, I know.
For Sichuan, actually, it is synonymous with spice.
Yeah,
Sichuan means spice. But for Sichuan people, when they spice, it means different flavors. It doesn't mean always doesn't mean very, very spicy and it's very difficult to eat. But for them, it means nuances of different flavors.
their understanding of the different variations, then their sense of, as we say, sense of humor, the sense of taste, refined sense of taste.
Yes.
By the way, that kind of habits of having different type of foods, somewhere you have salty foods, some you have oily foods, somewhere they like roasted things. It's actually
Yes.
the internal biological needs of that geographical location people, but natures tell you which type of food is better for you, and those type of foods actually become your habit and your cooking methods. That's again a kind of very interesting topic.
Professor Asim, on a last note, I would like to tell you that one of the major specialties of my university is culinary arts, which means foods. So they are giving a very special emphasis on Chinese, not just Chinese food also, but Thai food, Japanese food, and Western food. Maybe in some future episode, we can also show you some glimpses of the kitchen of my university, which they declare it is the largest kitchen in Asia.
Sure, that would be a great day for me, doctor, because at least I can, if I cannot taste at that time, at least I can see that. And by the way, culinary art, it has a direct relation with tourism, since university
Exactly.
excel in
Yes.
that thing, so it is related. So, audience, as we always say, it's your channel. Stay in touch. Thank you.